And good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us for News 5 at 6. And our top story tonight, cannabis and vaping.
Right now, the CDC is studying hundreds of cases of lung injuries and illnesses related to vaping use. And they say a majority of the patients have consumed vapes with THC. That's a psychoactive compound in marijuana.
Now, our Andy Cohen is just back from Lakewood, where the Marijuana Enforcement Division considering new restrictions on the legal cannabis industry in our state when it comes to vaping products. Andy.
Rob and Elizabeth, the Marijuana Enforcement Division stopped short of a ban on marijuana vaping products. Instead, they are planning to ban 3 specific chemical additives in those vaporizer cartridges, and THC is not one of them.
This restriction will not apply to marijuana-derived ingredients.
The Enforcement Authority of Colorado's legal marijuana industry is taking action as health officials continue to study hundreds of cases of lung illness believed to be tied to vaping.
Today's rules establish some additional regulations for vaporizer products as well as concentrates to be used in inhalers or vaporizers.
The 3 chemicals that would be banned are polyethylene glycol, a laxative, multi-chain triglyceride oils, and vitamin E acetate. Last month, federal officials flagged the vitamin E as a potential source for the vaping illness.
So we work closely with our colleagues at the Department of Public Health and Environment, and they are the scientific experts, and the regulations were developed with their expertise in mind.
The CDC has tracked nearly 1,300 cases of vaping lung injuries since March. A majority of the patients used vape products that contain THC. Those vapes that came from a street dealer or other informal source are thought to have played a major role in the outbreak. We asked why not consider even a temporary ban on marijuana vaping until more is learned.
We feel like we've gotten to a good place with our regulations today, with comprehensive stakeholder feedback, and have gotten to a place that's protective of public health and safety.
Under these proposed new rules, marijuana vaping products will also have to carry a label that lists all active and non-active ingredients. We are currently in a public comment period on the rules. A final decision is expected next month.